officially on summer break now, and so I thought it would be very fun to bring you guys along a few summer days in my life. So today and tomorrow I'm gonna be hanging out with some friends, so I thought I would bring you guys along. Right now I'm about to start getting ready. I'm gonna be seeing Amita today, and we're gonna be going to 2 malls. Okay. Today we're gonna be going shopping. Basically, I'm gonna be meeting her at one mall, and then we're going to take the transit all the way to Vaughan Mills Mall, which is like 1.5 hours away. Normally it takes about half an hour to drive there, but we don't have cars, so we're gonna be transit girlies today. But yeah, today we're basically gonna be shopping, you know, having a girls' adventure day. It's gonna be really fun. I'm so excited. So here is the OOTD. I'm wearing this like square neck ribbed tank top from Aritzia. She was a little bit pricey, but I thought it was a good investment piece to have. And then on top of that, I have this black cardigan. It has like a little collar action, but you can't really tell because of my black hair, and it's just, everything's mixing together. She's from Oakenfort. The jeans are just from Garage. And then for shoes, I'm gonna be wearing my high top Dunks. I love them. Earrings are from Fossil. Necklace is from Every Jewels. Ring is from Majuri. So basically this year I started university, and well, I finished my first year. Overall, I actually really enjoyed it. I really love my program. So for me, my first semester was online. So actually first semester was kind of bad. I was lonely. I didn't really have any friends. Oh yeah, and I moved out, but I came back home for the summer. But then second semester is where it all turned around. I actually got to meet people, and everyone's so nice. And yeah, it was just much more enjoyable. And now I'm on summer break. Oh yeah, my birthday was 2 days ago. I turned 19. My family and I just went to the Cheesecake Factory, which I've been wanting to go for so long.
Hey guys, we're at our first
mall of the day.
Yeah, we're just doing like spontaneous adventures today. Like I had an interview just now.
I just lost Amita. We found her again!
Guys, I just left her accidentally. Oh my god. I don't know what was happening. I literally like lost my mom. Like it felt like I was losing like a parent or something.
Anywho, we're gonna ride a bus now. Guys, we made it. I'm so proud of us. Like, we feel like grandmas looking at all these high schoolers.
Yeah, we're just judging them.
They're so loud. Were we that? Oh my gosh, Squishmallows. Wow. Squishmallow? I don't think it's a Squishmallow. It's a Squishmallow fraud. Like, it's a fake.
Oh my god, wait, you're right. Why are we in baby dolls?
We're in the washroom right now. It's very nice.
Everything in Bond is just crazy.
It is. She's washing her luscious hands. Amita's gonna give you her OOTD.
Yeah, guys, these hoops are from Zara.
Yes, we love.
My hair, you know.
Natural.
Yeah. I thrifted this.
Wait, really?
From Kensington Market.
Cute.
Tank top is from H&M.
We love.
These are also from H&M cargo pants.
Yes.
And then my shoes are Nike Air Max 270s.
We love that.
90s.
Yes.
Don't at me.
Okay guys, hi. We got a drink. They're very cute.
What is it called?
I don't know. Some Vietnamese
iced coffee.
Oh, why is... Oh, okay, I can taste it now. You just have to mix it a bit. Yeah. Now we're in Nike. No, unfortunately. Okay, we're in Nordstrom. How you feeling?
What do you guys think of these?
I think the security tag really adds to
Yeah,
it.
it really adds to my loss of vision.
Oh,
Trisha Paytas.
we
Or, like,
love.
Kim Kardashian.
Oh my, yes. Embrace your Kim Kardashian. You are Kim Kardashian.
I'm just Amika.
I mean, why does that kind of work? Joanne Kardashian does not work.
It does. It does.
Hi, Queen.
Hi, I'm Diana.
Where are we?
We're at Pickle Barrel.
We got fancy drinks.
We really did.
How is it? Taste test for me.
Yeah. I didn't try it yet.
No.
You can't even tell there's alcohol on this. It just tastes like strawberry.
I got the same thing except
The virgin.
Yeah. See, the thing is, I turned 19, so legally I can drink, but I left my driver's license at home.
Tisk tisk, lame. How was it?
It's so good.
Right?
It's like a slushie. What is this? I don't remember what we got.
Poison chicken bites or something.
How do you rate the hoisin chicken bites?
Literally 11 out of 10.
Guys, our food came. I got the chicken fiesta bowl. What did you get?
Cajun chicken avocado sauce.
Nice. We finished at the Pickle Barrel.
The food was actually busting.
It was Amita treated me to dinner.
Her birthday dinner.
Thank
19.
you. We found this cool art store. Hello.
Hello.
I'm crying right now. I don't know
Why?
I don't know. Allergies, wind.
Oh, how am I not crying? I'm usually the one crying.
Sun, hello.
Golden hour.
Wow. Now it's golden hour. We're heading back. Today was so much fun. Amita's mom kindly picked us up and she brought me Amita's birthday present for me. So I'm gonna open it with you guys. Oh my gosh, I love Amita's cards. And it's like a pop-out card. Ooh, she got me this eyeshadow palette. I literally wanted a new natural eyeshadow palette because I didn't have one. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, body creams. And it says, you're the one. Amita, I know I am your one, okay? And she got me the fragrance mist. I love this. I smell like Hawaii right now. I think I swallowed some. And then she got me nail polish. She got me little rings. I love everything. Thank you, Amita. So right now I am buying some tickets for tomorrow because my friend and I are gonna be going to the Van Gogh Toronto immersive exhibit. I'm about to go meet Sophia, so I decided that I would do a little OOTD. I'm wearing this lace tank top from Garage, this leather jacket thingy, and I'm wearing these high-waisted cargo pants from Hollister. I'm here with Queen Sophia. How's your day going?
Good so far. I'm excited. I'm hungry.
And now we're walking to the restaurant and we're by the water, which is really cool. We found her. We are sitting outside in the patio and I have beautiful Queen here. Hey. Guys, our peach Bellini came. It's very cute.
She's so good. It's actually so good. Oh my gosh.
Food is here. I got a chicken Alfredo.
Got the pepperoni pizza pie.
Yes, it looks so good. We finished eating. We're gonna do an OOTD for you. Hi, Queen. Where is everything from?
This is from Urban's.
Crop top?
Open Court.
Oh, I love Open Court. So good.
Her pants from first we won like 6 years ago. That's it.
Love that.
I found this thing. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna try and sit on it.
It's Sophia's turn. Can I fit there too if I squat next to you? We both fit and we're both swinging now. And look at our view. It's so nice. Wow. We are here. We found Mr. Van Gogh.
gosh, look at these little Van Goghs. Overall experience out of 10, what would you rate it?
I like the 8 out of 10.
Really? Damn. I'll give it a 7. We're going to Coco's for bubble tea. What did you get?
Got a passion fruit and mango slush with tapioca.
Oh, you got it. I got the large roasted milk tea. Never tried it before. Oh, I did it. Okay. We just went to World of Posters and we got posters. I got 3, Sophia got 2.
Hi, so I just got home. Today was so fun with Sophia. I just got a bunch of packages and I also realized that I did not show you guys everything I got at the mall yesterday. I also got some things today when I went out, so I thought that we would do a massive haul to finish off this vlog. So first of all, Sophia got me a belated birthday gift. She got me a bag. She got me this pack of 4 claw clips. She literally knew that I wanted them. I'm so happy right now. Like, she knows me so well. Okay, for the rest of the haul. We're gonna start with Aritzia, what I got yesterday. First thing that I got were a pair of socks. I just got this like heathered gray color. I wanted white. They didn't have white, so I got this. And then I just wanted a basic black skirt. And I was actually gonna order this online. So it just looks like this. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like a triangular notch in the front, which is exactly the style of skirt that I wanted. And then we went to Garage. So the first thing that I got was this white baby tee. Oh yeah, and Amita actually bought this for me too. Then I also got this massive band tee. So I ordered some things from American Eagle and Aerie. So the first thing that I got were the crossover flared leggings. Just looks like this. It's flared at the bottom and it's their famous like crossover waistband. I got these green sweat shorts. I love this color of green, and Aerie sweat shorts are the best sweat shorts ever. And then I got the exact same thing in a heathered gray because it just goes with everything. And then lastly today when I went out with Sophia, we went to a poster store. So the first one that I got is this Vogue one. I thought it was so pretty. The colors are so beautiful. And then they had my favorite movie, La La Land. The instant I saw this, I knew I had to get it, okay? I love La La Land. And then finally, I got this one for Mean Girls. It's pink. I like pink very much, so I got that one too. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.